Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Little announcement, I was supposed to do the curry today, but unfortunately I didn't realise it is actually 9. Come on. It's 9:44. Tuesday the 7th. So I didn't have any rice, so I was gonna go and get some microwavable rice so I can have it. I went to the cooperative co-op, which is a supermarket near me. But inside Co-op they have a Subway, and I know a few people have been asking me to do Subway, so I decided to oblige and do a Subway one for you today. The curry one will be, due to that fact, the curry one will be delayed slightly. I got, what was it, about six 6-inch subs or whatever. We've got tuna here, ham here, I don't know, someone scribbled something on there. I have no idea what that's supposed to be. This one is chicken and bacon. I think that's the wrap. Yeah, these things are useless. These stickers they put on this one. This one is BMT. Or PMT is. And the last one is steak. I did actually look to get marinara ones, but like the meatball sub, I wanted to get the pizza sub, I wanted to get the full meaty or the mega meaty sub, but they had nothing. So I was literally going to walk out, but she'd already started cutting into 2 of them, so I was like, right, whatever. I did actually want to do a Subway where I can have a huge variety of them. Today we are drinking watermelon and strawberry Lucozade. Which, it's not too bad. It's not fantastic, but it's not too bad. But let's try with a steak. I've never really had Subway before. I know a load of guys used to go to Subway on a lunch break at work, but I always used to go to Greggs and just get like a tuna baguette, and I also used to get like a cheese and onion slice, or before they changed the sauce, the chicken and mushroom slice or the chicken slice was really nice. The cheese and bean melt was really nice. I don't know if they still do them anymore. Right, this is the this one is the steak one. It's got loads of salad in it, and the salads will stick into the steak and the cheese, so suppose what you can consider different with Subway, which is a good thing, is they cook their bread in-house, so they'll sit there and cook it themselves, which I think is much better than getting it brought in every morning. One, because it minimises waste, so you make one set of whites, one set of Italians, or I don't know what different breads they have there, and then you're only losing a certain amount of products, so it reduces a lot of waste, which is good, and it's fresh. You know it's fresh because it's just been baked there. They've got an oven behind you cooking baguettes, you know. This one's really soft, so I'm curious to know, when I get to the cold ones, are they also soft, or are they crunchy like proper baguettes? It's nice. I do have to rate it. But yes, it's really nice in Subway, but it can be expensive. I mean, these 6 cost me like £24, which is quite expensive for like 6 sandwiches. So, you know, if you do want to go, if you do like Subway, or if you've never tried Subway before, give it a try. But my advice to you would be to see it as a treat, like you're treating yourself every now and again. Subway's not a place where you can go to every single day unless you've got an unlimited supply of money. Then obviously go right ahead. But yeah, it will get expensive. And you know, if you do eat sandwiches normally, I don't. It's Subway's fantastic also because you can customize your sandwich how you want. I just went from set menu items because you know, but yeah, I got confused after. She's like, "You want salad?" I'm like, "Yeah, okay." She's like, "What salad?" I'm like, "Salad." You know, they've got so many different things, which is crazy. So it's another good thing about Subway. But yes, it is a bit on the expensive side. The steak one's lovely. I tend to try and keep away from steak because the way I eat food, I hardly chew. So I went out for a meal with my mum and my nephew. We went to a pub. I was like, oh, you know, I was going to get a burger. My mum was like, why don't you try a steak? I was like, yeah, okay. First time I've eaten steak, I cut into the steak. I took a bit, like a chunk, because I was expecting it to break up as soon as I bite once. I tried to swallow it, and it got stuck there. And at this point, I'm trying to push it down. You know, like, you know, moving my neck muscles, trying to push it down. Where it wasn't budging, it was like literally stuck right there, next to where my Adam's apple is. And that's when I panicked. I tried to take a drink. I had some Coke. Tried to push that down. That didn't go down. That didn't push it down. And then I gagged, and it came out. But the thing is I had Coke, then the steak, so it looked like I'd, you know, everywhere. My mum weren't happy. She was very embarrassed. Me, I have no shame. I just continued to sit down and eat my steak and enjoy my meal. But no doubt my mum was embarrassed, and yeah, she don't want me to go in that pub anymore. And the funny thing is that was a local as well. But it's so misleading because I can eat fast, you know, with the best of them. I feel like I can eat really fast. Certain things I can't eat really fast, like pizza, for example, I struggle with because I've never trained to eat fast on pizza. I normally enjoy pizza when I get it. Pasta, I can eat super fast. I don't chew my pasta. I just swallow it whole. What else is there? Yeah, just you know, certain stuff. I would probably need to train to eat fast for, and yeah, watching people do food challenges when they have a steak and they're just literally, and it's gone, and they're putting big massive chunks in their mouth, and it's like, okay then. So I kind of thought it was the same. It wasn't. Right, let's have whatever this is. There's the wrap. Can we squeeze it? She did ask me if I wanted guacamole, but apparently it's avocado. I've never eaten avocado, so I didn't want to get it, not like avocado, and then not enjoying my meal. This one's got a bit of a kick to it. But yeah, they've only got three wraps. They've got a vegan one, a steak and cheese one, and what was the other one? A chicken something wrap. That's actually quite nice. Something that I wasn't going to say, but the other day, the day before yesterday, I cried. It it wasn't sad tears. It was happy tears of, you know, the fact that how much love you guys are giving me, and how I've gone from less than 100 before Christmas to now over 200, and we're not even halfway through January yet. It's absolutely mental, and yeah, I mean, is it classed as crying if you're not making noise still? I mean, technically yes, it's classed as crying because you have water coming out your eyes. But yeah, it was. It meant so much to me. Hitting that 200 mark. You know what, I love wraps. I'm looking forward to Friday's video, where I've looked up what gyro is, and I believe a gyro is like a chicken wrap. So I'm looking forward to the kebab on Friday, the subscriber chosen. If you haven't seen the last video, I choose someone and they pick my entire meal, absolutely everything. Only 2 people have come forward so far saying that they want to create my meal. This is still the other half of the wrap. So if you would like to create my meal, let me know, and it's you decide absolutely everything, what I'm getting, whether it be a pizza, whether it be McDonald's, whether it be kebab, whether it be Chinese, or, you know, you choose whatever it is. You choose if it's kebabs and burgers and stuff like that. You choose what I have on them, whether it's cheese, without cheese, with salad, no sauce, absolutely anything. Whether it's a pizza, you choose what toppings I will have on there. Except there's one topping I would not have on a pizza. I believe it's only one, or it might be 2. Definitely one is anchovies. I will not have anchovies on a pizza. So scratch that off. But yeah, I think it's only one definitely I will not have on a pizza. I have no issues eating anything else. The reason why I decided to do that and pick one subscriber, you know, maybe every week, maybe every couple of weeks, it depends on what the subscriber chooses for me, will depend on how quickly I can get it filmed and up. But yeah, the reason why is a few people have asked me when I've done Chinese, for example. I use Chinese as an example, and I'll use Chinese as an example. When I've ordered from the Chinese and I'm eating it and I've filmed it, you know, I have comments from people saying, "Oh, you should try this, you should try that," and all of them are great ideas, you know, and I find them very interesting. So it's something I would like to do. So I thought, well, why not have them create the entire thing, everything I'm going to be eating for that. you know, I don't believe anyone has done this before. Whether it's a new thing, if it's a new thing and you have a channel yourself, and you would like to attempt this, let one of your subscribers just choose everything you're having. You know, more than welcome, help yourself, do it as well, but you know, give me a bit of credit for it. I actually went out yesterday. This is ham. Don't know if you can see it properly. This is ham salad. Yeah, I actually went out yesterday to the council. I gave them all the documents that they requested. So after a week or 2 weeks, I should be put in a different band, so then I can bid on properties and move quite quick. You know what? Everything I've eaten so far has been really, really good. I can't fault any of it, except for this ham. This ham is too posh for me. I mean, this tastes like it was outdoor reared and, you know, smoked and, you know, God knows what else to it. When I have ham, I have ham, just bog standard ham. Funny thing, I got ham for the cats. I put the ham down for the cats and I had a slice myself, and it tasted like spam. I don't know if you have ever had spam before. It's like canned ham. See, this is why I like to film. This is why I like to film at night, because my joints don't hurt as much. You know, I like how accommodating shops and supermarkets and stuff are becoming now towards vegans. You know, because Subway has vegan options now. McDonald's has a vegan option. Because I went there for lunch yesterday. I got like a portion of chips, a drink, Big Mac, fillet fish, a wrap, quarter pounder. I think that was it. But I mean, the only reason why I ate there was because I was awake all night. I slept all day. So when I woke up, I didn't go to sleep, but I had to go to the Capitol and get that stuff done. Yeah, I had to go to the Capitol and get that stuff done. So I knew I was going to go sleep the second I come home, so I went out and got something instead on my way back. Right, chicken and bacon. Right, let's get the chicken and bacon next. See, I can't even really show you because I've got mayonnaise in there, and it's just all I'm showing you is salad. But yeah, this is chicken and bacon. Well, it's Tuesday, it's the beginning of the week. Kids go back to school today. So I bet all the parents are ecstatic. They get to have a break from their kids. It's not as long as the summer, where you have the kids for 6 weeks, but yeah, it's been a while. They break up. A few days before Christmas Day, I think. Anyway, and they're off all the way until the 7th. So it's like up to 3 weeks. You know, I swear we never had this much time off school when we was in school. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, they are very generous with their meat portions as well. Jesus. Is this classed as a BLT if it's got chicken in it as well? I don't think it is. I don't know if I should keep going or not. I can eat one easily. I can eat the second with a push. But I fancy saving them till later. Because I'm just so... all I'm thinking of sleep right now. I mean, I'm not like... but I can feel it. You know, I can... And I've still got to edit this and everything. I haven't... It's 10:20. I woke up, what was it, about 7 PM? So 12, 13, 14, 15. I've been up for between 15 and 16 hours. So I'll probably save these, have them as like a dinner. And then film tomorrow. I'll probably film the kebab one tomorrow. I need to start filming them earlier rather than leaving them till last minute, because, you know, if I'd have filmed this yesterday, I probably would have definitely eaten one more. The tuna. I'm really fancying the tuna one, and then I could have tried to eat the ham one. So you know, I've definitely got to start filming sooner during the week and not leave it till last minute. I lost track of my days and everything. I didn't even realise it was Tuesday. So I'm going to save these for dinner, and I'm going to film tomorrow for Friday's video. So that will be in plenty of time, and then on the weekend, or even Friday, Saturday, or even Sunday, I have to film Tuesday's one on one of those days. So then at least, I'm not doing it like now, last minute. All my last minute videos seem to be quite crap. That's how I feel anyway. I feel that I could have made this one a lot better, but I didn't even have anything set up. I was planning on coming back and putting the rice on, then coming in here and adjusting everything. I mean, this table, I don't know if it's... I mean, this table there like that is at an angle. It's not even straight. This is the table straight, and from what I can see on the camera, it's like... See, now that looks more straight, but that's at an angle. So yeah, I hope this is entertaining somewhat. The subscriber special video on Friday will be done much better, because I'm going to film it tomorrow and I can relax and then have all day Thursday to edit properly, rather than a rush job and push it out. So I mean, I just keep looking at the sandwiches, thinking, oh, what I will do is another day I will go to a bigger Subway, one that's not inside the supermarket, and then get more, and then do a challenge version. So if I order maybe, see, I can eat these two no problem, so that's 6. So what is it? Would it be like 8 to 10? of these, maybe in a challenge, you know, and then I can have like my little timer going while I'm eating. Is the timer working? Yeah. I've got this little stand thing. Where did it go? Ah, there you go. You can't even see it properly. But yeah, I mean, I've got a white version of this as well somewhere. Because I actually ordered one off the internet and I didn't realise it was a twin pack. Ah, these two to reset. There you go. Simple. Start, stop. The only problem is you can cheat. Oh, okay. I've put minutes and seconds. There's two buttons there. One's minutes, one's seconds. I put it to 19 minutes and thought it was going to count up from there. It's not. It's actually counting down. So it's not too bad, man. I mean, these was what, a £5 for two of them, I think. Don't quote me on that, because I could be wrong. So maybe I will come back and do 10. You know, like maybe one of every wrap, one of every baguette thing as well. One which has marinara sauce, please, because I was looking forward to trying the dumpling. I did try and get some breakfast things as well, and the only eggs they had was omelette eggs. So I was like, because I did ask them for the full something, I don't know what it was like a full something, and I also did ask them for sausage, egg and cheese bap, or wrap. It wasn't a wrap, it was like a burger type thing. So, but yeah, they didn't have. I'm not blaming them. They're a tiny store. But yeah, oh well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, please leave a dislike. I don't want you to feel like you don't have to leave dislikes if you didn't enjoy the video. But do me one favour if you can, please. Is if you do dislike the video, just leave a little note saying that, you know, for example, leave a dislike because I didn't eat it all, because that will help me as well. So if you're upset that I didn't eat these two as well, you know, leave a dislike and say I disliked it because you didn't eat the other two. Then in future, I can learn from it and be like, well, you know, they didn't like it when I ordered this much but didn't eat everything, so I'm gonna eat it this time. If I'm gonna put it in front of me, I'm gonna eat it, stuff like that. You know, your opinion matters, whether you're a subscriber or not, whether you want to subscribe or not. Your opinion is still valid. So